Hey y'all, welcome back to DC Motorworks. Here in front of me, I've got a W210 chassis E-Class that came in after sitting for, I think it's 2017, so about 5 years without starting. No one could fix it in their area. They couldn't find anyone to take care of it, and actually sold the car. This is a one-owner car that was sold new here in Georgia. Apologize for the noise. And they sold it to our clients now, and they even looked for a long time to find someone to fix it. Couldn't find anybody. Car only has 82,000 miles. It's very common on the 210 generation that the rear window regulators fall apart and the window falls down. You can see, I mean, it's been sitting, but you can see just how nice a shape this 210 is. You really don't see many like this anymore. This one will clean up very nicely, we believe. A little bit of wear on the dye on the seats, but you could have that re-dyed and they would look brand new. See here, we've got 82,000 miles. And their complaint was that the key wouldn't be recognized. They thought they might need a new key. They thought they might need a new ignition switch, which is electronic right there. But we got to looking at it. You could see just like portions of the cluster would be lit up, just the hazard lights, and just some strange electrical things going on. And come to find out, we checked for power and pulled the under panel here. We've got it back installed now. It's already been repaired, but I'll insert some pictures of the work we did. But a rat had actually gotten into here and chewed through, I think it was over 10 wires. It was a whole ground lug and a bunch of power wires as well. Got all those wires repaired. So here's what our lovely little critter decided to make his home out of. Got some kind of hand wipe wrappers. Got insulation from under the dash. Got a straw. A flower pin. Some more wrappers. More flower petals. And if I remember right, I believe his carcass is in here somewhere, but not too interested in finding that. And now we have a running, driving car once again after sitting for 5 years or so. I think the tag is 2017, like I said, and the last entry on Carfax was, I believe, December of 2016 or so. But we'll get this cleaned up for them, and they plan on getting some of the more work done on it as time goes on. And they will have a very young, fresh W210 chassis E-Class that should last them a very long time. These cars are great for a nice, reliable, comfortable, old school Mercedes. You just about can't kill them, just like this one. The rats tried, but we got it fixed back up. Keep watching for more. Give us a like, subscribe. We appreciate all you checking us out.